Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Press Start and the Super Side Quest Test. Chapter 1, Press Start. Are you still playing this game? You've been playing it for weeks. It's a really big game. I'm almost at the end now. The Legend of Super Rabbit Boy 2. Meaning King Viking is taking over Animal Town again. He is using a mega giant super robot to cause trouble. Hero Super Rabbit Boy is ready to stop King Viking. He rushes to the town. Super Rabbit Boy leaps into action. Boing boing, here I go. The mega giant super robot moves really fast. Really quick. Super Rabbit Boy tries to dodge it. Oh no! Super Rabbit Boy is trapped. King Viking is pleased. Ha ha! You're not fast enough to beat my mega giant super robot. Now it's your turn to blast off. The mega giant super robot tosses Super Rabbit Boy far, far away. Oh no! Bye, smelly Rabbit Boy. Super Rabbit Boy lands far, far away from Animal Town, but he needs to make it back home. So he sets off for an epic quest. Along the way he faces a giant dragon, a band of pinklings, and a snobble gold, and he solves the mystery of the fake queen. He also finds his way through the tunnels of gloom, and then there. At long last, Super Rabbit Boy sees Animal Town. It doesn't look so good. I'll stop you, King Viking. Boing, boing, here I come. Keep going, Super Rabbit Boy. You're almost there. Doesn't look like a long path from there. Chapter 2, the Mega Wand. Roo, you want to come with me to the store? Sure. I won't see you beat King Viking. This will be easy. I'll be done before you get back. Super Rabbit Boy is so close to Animal Town. King Viking's robot army waits for him. Boop, beep, what are you doing back? Boop, we won't let you pass. Super Rabbit Boy leaps into action. Boing, boing, you can't stop me. Since Super Rabbit Boy has beaten all the robots. That mega giant super robot is so powerful. How can I beat it? Maybe I can help you. Super Rabbit Boy turns around. He sees a friendly person. Hello, little hero. I'm Dave, the traveling salesman. I have an item to help you with your problem. Hello, behold, a magic wand. With one swoosh, it will stop that robot. It's yours for only 3 coins. Wow, but I don't have coins. Oh dear, then you can't have it. Super Rabbit Boy is worried. He is so close to home, but he isn't sure if he can beat the Mega Giant Super Robot Boy. Mega Giant Super Robot. I think it's time that Mega Wand. It's time for a side quest. I'll be right back. I'm gonna find 3 coins. Find those gold coins, Super Rabbit Boy. Chapter 3, the search for gold. Super Rabbit Boy starts his search for the 3 gold coins at home. Carrot Castle. This looks like the pineapple in SpongeBob. The pineapple house. Boing boing, here I go. Super Rabbit Boy searches the whole castle for some coins. Finally, he has some luck. Hooray, 1 gold coin! He searches every little space. He doesn't find more gold coins, but he does find a treasure map. I forgot about this treasure map. It will lead me to more gold coins. Super Rabbit Boy sets off. He follows the trail on the treasure map and runs as fast as he can. I hope I find more gold coins soon. Could this be the spot? Super Rabbit Boy picks up the big rock with the X on it. Hooray! It's another coin. Hooray! I need 1 more gold coin to get the Mega Wand. I need to hurry. Animal Town needs my help. Super Rabbit Boy dashes down the mountain. On the way, he spots a girl. She looks upset. Wah! Are you okay? The girl is a slime farmer, which I don't even think is a real thing, because it isn't. But all of her slimes have run away. Don't worry, I will help you catch them. Thank you. If you find them all, I will give you this gold coin. Super Rabbit Boy springs into action. He quickly finds and scoops up silly slimes. Soon all the slimes are back in their den, in their hutch. Great work. Now there were 95 more to catch. Oh, blue. Chapter 4, the Mega Wand Secret. Super Rabbit Boy gets back to work. 86 left, 54 left, only 9 more left. You're almost there, Super Rabbit Boy. Finally, Super Rabbit Boy puts the last slime back in the hutch. He's very tired and slimy. That's the last one. Hooray, thank you, Super Rabbit Boy. Here's a gold coin. Yeah, I can see some of those slimes are angry like that one. Grrr. At last, Super Rabbit Boy has 3 gold coins. He can buy the Mega Wand. That little side quest wasn't so little. I better find Dave. Dave the traveling salesman is waiting in the field for Super Rabbit Boy. Here are 3 more gold coins. Whoop whoop, cha-ching! Dave gives Super Rabbit Boy the Mega Wand. Now he can save Animal Town. Watch out, King Viking! Boing boing, here I come! It's time to test out the Mega Wand. Super Rabbit Boy swishes it around. Nothing happens. Hey, it wasn't working. Of course not. Why not? There is a sign on Dave's pack. Dave points to it. Batteries not included. The Mega Wand uses batteries? I thought it was magic. That's the secret of the magic wand. Do you have any bears? No, I sold the last ones to Cave Explorer Crick. He needed them for his megalite. Dun dun dun. Wait, what does that say? 20. Oh, that's for the page. That was some kind of sign. Super Rabbit Boy needs the Mega Wand to beat King Viking's robot, and he needs batteries to make the Mega Wand work. But does he have time for another side quest? I'm sure this side quest will be very short. Boing boing, here I go. Chapter 5, The Key in the Tree. Super Rabbit Boy runs to Billy Bob's everything shop. Billy Bob sells all kinds of things. He must have some batteries. Billy Bob is outside of shop. He's locked. I lost my key to the shop. Oh no, I need to get some batteries from you. If you can find my key, you can have some batteries for free. Billy Bob tells Super Rabbit Boy that he went on a walk in the wobbly woods. He must have dropped his key there. Don't worry, Billy Bob. I'll find your key. In the wobbly woods, Super Rabbit Boy starts searching for the key. I hope this search doesn't take too long. He searches the floor of the whole woods, but he can't find the key. Where could it be? Suddenly, he spots a glimmer up high in one of the trees. What's that? He jumps from tree branch to tree branch. Finally, Super Rabbit Boy is at the top. He sees the missing key. Caw, caw, get away! It's Angie Crow. She is not happy with Super Rabbit Boy. Caw, caw, you sneaky sneak. This key is mine. Super Rabbit Boy tells Angie Crow about Billy Bob and his lost key. Caw, caw, you can have it, thank you. But you first have to bring me a shinier thing. Caw, caw. Oh no, will the side quest ever end? Chapter 6. More to do. Super Rabbit Boy side quest for the batteries is tricky. His search is high and low for a new shiny thing to give to the crow. His search brings him to the beach. Super Rabbit Boy spots something out in the sea, shining out in the sea. What is that? He jumps into the water and starts swimming toward the flickering light. Super Rabbit Boy follows the light to Maria the mermaid. The flickering light was shining off her pearl hair clip. Hello there, little rabbit. What are you doing out here? I'm sorry to bother you, but I really need your help. Super Rabbit Boy tells Maria about the wand, the batteries, and Angie Crow. He tells her how he needs something shiny to get Billy Bob's key from the crow. Your pearl could be in my quest. Would help in my quest. Well, you must have it. Thank you so much. I just need something else for my hair. Then the pearl clip is yours. I'll see what I can do. This side quest is getting so silly. Back on the beach, Super Rabbit Boy starts to search. That it's not easy. I have to hurry. Suddenly, Super Rabbit Boy hears a crow. It sounds scary. What could it be? Wah! 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 Chapter 7. Even more to do. Super Rabbit Boy follows the crying sound, and soon he finds a very loud and mad little girl. Her dad looks very stressed. Oh dear, what is wrong? It is my daughter's birthday. I bought her a lovely hair ribbon, but she wants a toy. She is very mad. Super Rabbit Boy has an idea. If I find her a toy, can I have her hair ribbon? Of course. Super Rabbit Boy's quest is getting bigger and bigger. Soon Super Rabbit Boy finds a small gerblin with a toy, but the gerblin won't give the toy to him. The gerblin wants to go on a big adventure, and he needs a helmet to keep him safe. Gerbil gerb, you can have my toy if you give me a helmet. Super Rabbit Boy spots a bucket floating down a river. It would make a good helmet for the gerblin. He dives into the water to grab it. This water is really fast. Oh no, there's a waterfall up ahead. Be careful, Super Rabbit Boy. Chapter 8, a super quest. Super Rabbit Boy grabs the bucket and leaps out of the water. He just misses the waterfall. Eek! That was close. At last, Super Rabbit Boy has the bucket. There is something inside. What is this? It's a ghost. Ooh, you want my bucket? Find me something else to hide in. Super Rabbit Boy sees a monster nearby. She is lifting a big box up and down to make her strong. The box would make a good hiding place for the ghost. Find me another heavy thing to lift, then you can have this box. Rah, rah. Oh dear, Super Rabbit Boy feels very, very tired. This little side quest has turned into a huge side quest. I need to finish this quest and get back to Animal Town. You look sad, Rabbit Boy. I feel sad too. Oh, hello, Lazy Susan. Why do you feel sad? Lazy Susan tells Super Rabbit Boy that she wants to see the world, but I am too lazy to go anywhere. Suddenly, Super Rabbit Boy has an idea. I think I can solve both of our problems, Lazy Susan. Uh-oh, Lazy Susan has fallen asleep. You better have a good idea, Super Rabbit Boy. I already read this book and I already know what's going next, but I'm not going to spoil it until I read it. Chapter 9, Something for Everyone, the second last chapter. Super Rabbit Boy picks up Lazy Susan. The race is back to the monster. They race to back the monster. I hope this works. I need those batteries. Super Rabbit Boy gives Lazy Susan to the monster. He asks the monster to carry Lazy Susan on a trip around the world. I'm going to get super strong. Rah, rah. World trip. Yay. Zzz. He's sleeping. Now the monster does not need the big box. She gives it to Super Rabbit Boy. The ghost is very happy to swap the bucket for the big box. Thank you. It's so dark in here. Ooh. Thank you for the bucket. Super Rabbit Boy gives the bucket to the gerblin. He loves the bucket helmet. He gives Super Rabbit Boy his new toy. Have fun. Thanks, Gerbil, Gerbil. The girl stops crying when she sees her new toy. Her dad is so happy, he starts to cry instead, but in happy tears. Thank you so much. Here is the hair ribbon. Whee! Super Rabbit Boy gives Maria the mermaid the hair ribbon. This is perfect. It will help me keep my hair dry. She gives Super Rabbit Boy the pearl hair clip. I hope this clip is shiny enough for Angry Crow. Angry Crow is very happy with the pearl hair clip. Caw, so shiny, so good. Caw, here, take this yucky key. At last, Super Rabbit Boy has the key he needs to open to Billy Bob's everything shop. Thank you. Hooray, Super Rabbit Boy finally has the batteries for his Mega Wand. But his side quest took too long. Animal Town still needs his help. Boing, boing, here I come. Key's getting stolen. Dun, dun, dun. Chapter 10, the last chapter. The mega giant super robot. Hey, Sonny, back so soon? What do you mean? It's been hours. You're not done yet? I had to do a really long side quest. I'm ready for Animal Town now. You said that before I left. Well, I'm really going now. Super Rabbit Boy is back in Animal Town. The mega giant super robot has been busy. Oh no, Animal Town is a mess. He pops the batteries into the Mega Wand. I hope this works. King Viking is mad. Where have you been? I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. It took a long time, but I'm back now and I'm gonna win. Haha, no way, you'll never beat me. Super Rabbit Boy holds up the Mega Wand. It starts to go. This wand will stop your mega silly trash robot. The huge blast of battery-powered energy bursts from the Mega Wand. It sends King Viking and his robot and his mega giant super robot flying. It's my turn to pick you up and throw you away. Boop! Well, you can use magic. Boop! It's not a magic, it's a battery power. Animal Tao is safe once again, but it's a bit of a mess. Suddenly, the Mega Wand starts to glow. The Mega Wand's power quickly fixes the town. Thank you! Well, that was easy. That was anything but easy. Well, that wasn't hard at all. Sunny? Oh, maybe it wasn't so easy after all. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!